Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Eero to T-Mobile home internet. First, unbox your main Eero device and place it near your T-Mobile gateway. Keep both devices in an open area instead of inside a cabinet or behind furniture. This helps provide a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal. Next, take an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the LAN port on the back of your T-Mobile gateway. This port is usually numbered or marked with a yellow color. Plug the other end into the Ethernet or WAN port on your main Eero device. Make sure the cable is connected securely on both ends. Now plug your Eero into a power outlet. Wait for it to power on. The light will blink white at first, then turn solid blue when it is ready for setup. Open the Eero app on your phone or tablet. If you have not installed it yet, download it first and sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the setup is finished, connect your phones, computers, smart TVs, and other devices to your new Eero Wi-Fi network using the password you created. Thanks for watching.